Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Auzubillahi minash-shaytanir-rajeem. Hello, hi, assalamu alaikum viewers. How are you all guys? I hope so you all are fine. I am also fine, alhamdulillah. So viewers, in this video I am going to share with you most stunning and most beautiful and very latest pinecone wreath ideas. Guys, these are super amazing and very beautiful handmade Christmas holiday wreath collections for you for your holiday festives. Guys, these are very amazing and these are very stunning ideas for you guys. So guys, you easily make these pinecone wreath at home. You use your pine cones into wreath and make them for your holiday festives. These are very luxurious collections for you guys and viewers. If you want different craft videos, then you guys easily leave the comment section. I will upload those videos on my channel very soon, inshallah. And if you like this video, then you click the like button and you guys share this video with your friends, with your family members, like sister, brother, and whatever you share with those. And guys, these are very pretty collections for you guys. And I also upload different craft videos on my channel. That was amazing. So go to my channel and watch those videos. And viewers, if you are new on my channel, then subscribe my channel and also click the bell icon for more updates, for more videos, for more details. And you guys make these wreath at home. You watch tutorials on YouTube about how to make these pinecone wreath at home. So always take care, always be happy. Allah Hafiz.